Good morning, students. Today again we are going to do classwork. As you know that we have finished history chapter 1, all the question answer and exercises yesterday. So today I'm going to start with civics chapter 1 exercises, and few questions will also be done today. So as you have to make a separate notebook for civics, and it will be like earlier you have made in class 7. It will be like your Hindi notebook, and you don't have to make register, a normal copy will do. And make sure that you will make the index, and so you will start doing your classwork. So open your copies, open your notebooks and start doing your classwork. Okay students, so we will start doing our classwork of civics chapter 1. First exercise is multiple choice questions or MCQ. So you have to choose the correct option from the following. So I will read out the question for you. Which one of the following refers to a fundamental legal document according to which the government of a country functions? The options are nation, constitution, legislature, executive. So the correct answer will be constitution. So the correct option will be constitution. Okay. So the next question is, every law enacted by the government has to be in conformity with the fundamental rights policy of the foreign government, constitution, none of this. So the meaning of the question is that every law which is made, it should be based on the on which body the government makes the rule according and it follows the basic principles from where? Constitution. Iska bhi answer. This answer also will be constitution. So constitution is the right answer. So the source of all law is constitution. Which the third one, which one of the following refers to an introduction in which the purpose of the constitution is given? So what is the purpose of the constitution is given in a small introduction. So what is the name of that introduction? Preamble, fundamental rights, directive principles, or none of this. So it will be a preamble. Introduction is the preamble. So by reading the preamble you can have a idea of our constitution. Okay, so the preamble, the right answer will be the preamble. Which one of the following are the features of our constitution? A detailed written constitution, amending procedure, federalism, all of this. That means the question is asking that what are the features of our constitution. So all the features are there in our constitution. So the option, all of these will be the right answer. Okay, next, which one of the following refers to the country free from external control? So no external control means no other country will interfere in the matters of our country. So what does it call? Sovereign, socialist, republic, secular. It should be sovereign. Sovereign is the right answer. Sovereign is the right answer. Okay. Question number 6. India has governments in the states and at the center that shows that it has which kind of government? Secular system of government, federal system of government, democracy, socialism. Federal system of government. It should be federal system of government. So this is all about your MCQ, and you have to do in your notebook and you have to write all the options. Okay. Now we will move on to the very short answers. Very short answers. We will do only first two. What is meant by a constitution? Why do we say that Indian constitution is a living document? Okay, so I will show you the answers of these questions also. Okay, so you have to write down a very short answer type question. What is meant by a constitution? So the constitution is a fundamental legal document according to which the government of a country functions. This is the answer. And then second question is, why do we say that Indian constitution is a living document? Indian constitution is a living document as it is growing and evolving according to the needs, requirements and aspirations of the people and functioning institutions. So this is your classwork for today. So start doing your classwork.